So this is the MacBook Pro M4 Space Black. This is the base model here. We're going to open it up. I'll show you what you get inside. First off, the MacBook Pro itself in that new Space Black color. You get a matching braided USB-C to MagSafe charging cable, some paperwork without any Apple stickers, and a simple 70-watt charging power plug. So this is Space Black. I'll show you a close-up of it in just a second, and I'll compare it to the Space Gray I have with my M1 MacBook Pro. But just for the full specs, I went for the base model version, this exact model. The only thing I did was upgrade the RAM to 24 gigabytes. Now, just a color comparison here. This is the Space Black with the Space Gray on the M1 MacBook Pro. And you can see with the light how it looks, more brighter, almost kind of white. And then where the light isn't hitting it, it's kind of a darker color. And to give you a better example, if you had or ever seen the Magic Trackpad at the Apple Store, it's exactly the same color now as Space Black. This was actually called the Space Gray trackpad, but as you can see, Space Gray was darker on the trackpad than it was on the older MacBook Pro. So more views, Space Black, Space Gray. Going over some of the ports that you get here. So on the one side, this is the right side, you have HDMI, which is nice. You have your USB-C, and then you have your camera card port here. On this side here, MagSafe connector for charging, two more USB-C ports, and then the 3.5mm headphone jack. Open it up, and I don't know why, but I didn't get that chime. Usually it does the Apple chime. You got your large Magic trackpad and backlit keyboard with Touch ID located at the top right. Beside that is one of the speakers you can see on the side bezel, as well as on the left side bezel, another speaker for your audio. As for the camera, not the greatest, but it is a 12 megapixel center stage camera with desk view. So that means it's going to kind of move around as you move on screen to keep you kind of centered in the frame. A lot of people don't show the back, but there it is. The etched MacBook Pro logo. I just put this to block the serial numbers. You've got your feet here. It feels like a hard rubber or almost a plastic. They don't really hold on this type of material, but they do the job on a hard surface. You got some openings here. I'm not sure if it's for venting or what exactly. I feel like this is the venting here because you can see kind of some vents. So that was a quick review of the 14-inch MacBook Pro in Space Black. This is the base model with a simple RAM upgrade. If you like this video, hit that like button, subscribe, and click the bell notification box to be notified when I post new videos. If you have any questions, feel free to ask in the comments. And let me know your thoughts on this new M4 MacBook Pro. For me, it was a no-brainer. The M1 here is just not cutting it lately. I really didn't want to have to upgrade, but it was getting to be problematic. Thanks for watching. I'll see you in the next one.